I'm Mark Harris, Director of Full Circle Services Limited in High Wycombe. We've got 9 ramps. I've got 6 technicians working for me. We're one of the bigger independents in High Wycombe. We're a family-run business. There's 2 generations here at the moment. We used to have 3 generations. Unfortunately, Steve retired, so there's now only 2.
What was the biggest frustration you had before working with us?
The biggest frustration we had before working with you was that we were on paper job cards, and trying to keep hold of the job cards was quite difficult. So going over to digital was a big bonus for us.
What made you choose TechMan over other garage management systems?
We tried a lot of other ones, demoed them, and for ease of use, TechMan was so superior to anyone else.
How easy was it to get started with TechMan, like the setup, the training, onboarding?
Yeah, so the swapping over to TechMan was so simple. They just took the information from our last package and just copied it all across.
Which integrations do you use and why are they important to your workflow?
The good integrations are the Haynes Pro. Also being able to look up our own parts as well makes it so much simple.
How has TechMan improved your day-to-day operations?
The day-to-day operations, we get a lot more information on the job cards from the technicians, which helps us to keep the customers informed, but also looking up our own parts means we get the right parts first time as well.
Which part of your business improved more than you expected after implementing TechMan?
So the biggest thing was communication with customers. We were able to send out more MOT reminders. Before we were paper, now we can send emails and texts.
How has TechMan changed the way your front office or reception team handles bookings and inquiries?
So they've got a structured information they get off the customers now, which means we capture a lot more information off the customers than we did before.
How do you find TechMan's customer support and ongoing assistance?
The support from TechMan is 100%. You always get through to someone. It's never someone will phone you back. You always get the problem resolved straight away.
Overall, was using TechMan easier than you thought it would be?
It was much easier than what we thought when we went over to it.
Would you recommend TechMan to other garage owners and why?
Yeah, definitely. It just the workflow through the workshop is so much better with TechMan.
If you're facing challenges similar to those our customers faced before, get in touch with us today. Just click the link below to book your demo and see how TechMan can transform your garage.